Hello, my name is Carlos Eduardo Garcia Rieta. I am from the University of Secar, and today I'm gonna tell the story of the boy and the nail. There was a boy who had a very bad temper. One day his father gave him a bag of nails and told him that every time he lost his temper, he was to drive a nail into the fence in the backyard. The first day, the boy dropped 37 nails. The next day, fewer, and so on the rest of the day. The little boy was realizing that it was easier to control his temper and bad temper that they drive the nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when he boy did not lose his temper, even once that went cheerfully to tell his father about it. He had finally managed to control his bad temper. His father, very happy, his father very happy and satisfied, then suggests that every day he controls his temper, he should he should take a nail off the fence. The day passed, and when the boy finished pulling off the nails, he went to tell his father. Then the father, then the father took his son to the hand to the fence and said, "You have worked hard to drive and remove the nails of the fence, but look at the house that were left. It will never be the same. That what I mean is that when you say or do things that temper angers, and bad temper you leave a scar, like this house in the fence. It doesn't matter if you ask to forgiveness, they wound will always be there. And a physical wound is the same as the verbal wound. Friends, as well as the parents and the whole family are true jewels to be cherished. They smile and this smile at you and encourage you to get better. They listen to you, share our word and encouragement, and always have their ear open to receive you. His father words, as well as his experience with the nails, made the word reflect and the consequence on this character. And the story is over. Thank you for the attention.